Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a melon and pumpkin farm that's easily stackable. From the middle of the farm you're going to create your storage system. Come around back and place a hopper into this grass block. Then a double chest. Then from the middle block you're going to go at 7 dirt blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then from either end of the line that you just created, you're going to want to create a checkered pattern in the back. Like so. Then fill in all the gaps with water. Place an extra block on top of the block behind the water. Place your pistons on the blocks closest to the grass. Then you're going to want to hold the blocks that are in front of the water. Place your seeds. Come around the back and place all your observers facing the seeds. Come around the back again and fill the blocks that are behind the pistons. Then place a redstone dust behind the pistons. Now if I change the random tick speed to 500, you'll see the farm in action. Now we don't just want all our melons and pumpkins falling on the ground. We're going to make a simple collection system using water. Go to either side, fill in these 2 blocks, then fill in a line all the way to the end. And then fill in these 2 blocks. Place your water on either end, so that the water meets in the middle. You're going to want to raise this wall up 1 or 2 more blocks to stop the melon and pumpkin from escaping. Now if I increase the tick speed again, you'll notice that all the melon fall into the water and will be collected by this hopper and placed into this chest. To add another layer to the farm, what you have to do is copy the layer from below to above. Just place your dirt or grass blocks above your seeds in the same straight line. Place your checkered pattern again. Fill in the gaps with water. Hold the grass or dirt. Place in your seeds. Place your pistons. Come around back and place your observers. Then fill in the block behind the piston and the observers. Then place a piece of redstone dust behind the pistons. Raise the wall up 2 or 3 more blocks again. And that's all you have to do. You can stack this farm for as high as you want, and you can interchange between pumpkin and melon. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one, thanks for watching.